Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a picture. So I've come up north for the past couple of weeks just to sort some bits out, and I thought I'd do a picture here. So my granddad has some chickens, as you might have seen ages ago. I did the greenhouse shoot. If you've not seen that video, I'll link it above. Basically in that video there was very noisy chickens, and whilst I've been here I've been sort of going over some new ideas and having some time to think about new imagery and concepts, and I came up with this idea that I really want to shoot. I've drawn it out, so I'll show you in a minute, but it's basically with the chickens in their chicken pen and feeding them, and I'm going to edit them all over me. I want to make it look like I'm feeding them and they're just like swarming. So we're going to go into the field now, and I'm going to go and show you where the chicken pen is. It might be a little bit hectic, seeing as though there is so many chickens. I think it's got about, it must have about 40, 60, something like that. Anyway, they're all in different pens, so we're going to go pick the best pen to go into. I'll show you what it looks like now in my book. This is the image that I drew. It's got all these chickens at the bottom. Ignore my drawing style. It's very accurate, as you can tell, but I want to be stood in the pen, hopefully feeding them from here. And over the past few days I've been rethinking this idea. I'm going to edit in some corn so it's all sprinkled all over the image, so it looks like I'm feeding them a lot of food. Then I want to edit one in my hand and on my head. So when I went round to my granddad's, he said that we might be able to get them onto my head and my hand, and that's because when he's fed them before, he has had them on his shoulders because they've just been jumping up and everything. But I'm not too fussed if we don't, because I'll just get a picture of the chicken on the floor and then I can edit it into my hand and do another one and put it onto my head. And it should be fun, really. I just want it to be quite a light-hearted image. So let's go start shooting. So this is my granddad's chicken pens. It's work in progress at the minute. I think he's changing it to do some veg patch there. There's 3 in this one, as you can see, and then there's like a divider that divides the chickens so that they don't fight because they're all from different batches. They're gonna go absolutely crazy for some food. So let's go and set up in this last pen, I think, because they're all following me. So let's see if there's any eggs. Nope. I think my granddad might have already got them, but let's have a look at the other side. I'll open the little hut here. I don't know if there's actually one in there. Oh yeah, there's one on. And there's an egg. Hello chicken! Sorry. Look, it's just laid an egg! Sorry. I'll put this down now. But there's like 5 eggs in there. So what I'm going to do is go in here if I can. I don't know how I'm going to be able to do this. How do you open this? It's so hard with one hand. They're making so much noise. Oi, get in. So we're in the pen. I've got my chickens around me and they're making a lot of noise, so I'm assuming that they want food, but I'm going to set my tripod up and make sure that I get a good angle, and then we'll get them all in one place. Please help me today, guys. Why is it so noisy? So the first thing that I'm doing is testing which direction I want to shoot the image first. Then I'm going to set my tripod up and then we'll get on with shooting with the chickens. This is going to be fun. I was thinking originally to shoot it against the conifers this way, so I was going to do it this direction. Oh, I'm not 100% sure if that's going to work, just because of the messiness of this background, but then I'm not really sure which other way I could do it. About this way or this way. I've just set my tripod up here and they're just quite interested in the tripod at the minute. I've got to go and get my phone as I've just remembered that I've left it on charge, so I need it for the wireless remote just to check if this location is right, but I feel like this view here is the best. But I'm just a bit scared of leaving my camera here in case they just like jump on it and you know, peck it. Yeah, I'll take the camera with me. So I've just asked to see where the corn is because I need some corn so that I can feed the chickens, and he's told me in this shed here, I think. Let's have a look, see if we can find it. Oh yeah, perfect. And also a chicken's just come to see me here. So the corn is here, which means I need to get a little scoop of it or something. Let's see if these chickens have done eggs. Nope. Hello. None in there. Ooh, oh my god, if anyone hates spiders, just look away now. But look at the size of the cobwebs in here. Oh my god, that is crazy. Hello, Rosie. Right, I need to go and get something to fill up. Right, I've filled this bowl with a little bit of corn so that they'll like me. I'm going in. I've got my phone now. That's what I'm going to use as my trigger. I use a Nikon app and oh, Rosie wants some of this. Yeah, I use a Nikon app on my iPhone and my camera, which has Wi-Fi. I have a D750 which uses the Wi-Fi to connect to my phone, which then I can use as a remote and a trigger. And I can do like 10-second timers on it or like 3-second, depending on how long I want to run into the front of the camera, or I can shoot from my phone. And I usually edit the phone out as well, so we'll see how it goes on today. I need to get back in here though before the chickens come. Okay, calm down. I've obviously got the corn in here now. I'm not going to introduce it just yet so that they are as excited as possibly can be. Okay, so I've put it down and now they're all... Ah! It hit me in the eye. Okay, I've just got been whipped in the eye by a chicken. That really hurt. I'm going to have to put this somewhere so they can't get it. Ow! I feel like I've got a bruise on my face now. That was traumatic. I don't even know if I got that on camera. I hope I did. So I'm about ready to start shooting, but my phone keeps messing up and basically turning off because it's so cold. I'm trying to warm it up just on my belly, but it's so cold. Yeah, alright, calm down. And I've got chickens pecking my feet. So I'm going to do some test shots, see if it works, and then we're going to get straight into it. But what I'm going to do now is get pictures of the two chickens that are going to sit on my hand and my head. So let's see if we can do that pretty quickly.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone.
So I actually think that was the hardest part because I needed to get them looking the right direction and the best settings and the best angle so that I can basically composite the chickens on top. I'm gonna go and find out if this has worked. Thanks chickens, I'll see you later.